Hello. Today I'm going to try to put that dent in the side of Donnie Allison's car. You can see the pencil lines on the door already. So what I did was I've got the roll cage on the chassis already. So I put the body on and then took a pencil, and on the inside put the same mark. You can see that right there. So put that mark in there with a pencil so I knew where my area that I can bend is, and it's not going to get into the chassis or the roll bar. And then I just copied it on the outside. So I'm going to use a lighter underneath, and I'm going to try to kind of push it in. I'll probably use a flat piece of file. I may use this to try to get that sharp edge in there, because there is a pretty substantial sharp edge on the dent if you look at it. So that's what I'm going to try to accomplish with that quarter panel, and then I can start prepping it and painting and all that stuff. So hopefully the dent will turn out pretty good. Be right back. Alright, so I figured out what I'm going to use to push the body in. I've got I took a clothespin apart and glued the two pieces together to make kind of almost like a triangle. If you look at Bobby's car from that race, who's the one that hit Donnie, he's driving a Ford, and it's got this kind of style on the front fender, and then it's got a big bumper on the bottom part of it. But I figure you'll probably use this to go ahead and push that in once I get the inside heated up. So let's see what I can do, and hopefully I don't mess anything up. Just got a standard lighter. I've already messed it up. Alright, so this is a little bit wonky, so I'm going to try to fix that. But I think the dent looks pretty decent from what I can tell. I'll have to fix that too. Just a little bit too much heat there was what I did. It started curling up on me, but I think I could fix that and try to straighten it out somehow. So anyways, there's that. Okay, so I got Donnie's car all primed. The dent part looks fairly good. Pretty happy with that. Getting ready to do the paint on it. And what I'm using is Tamiya TS8 Italian Red over Tamiya Gray Primer. So I'll probably shoot a couple coats of that on there, see what we come up with, and then I'll finish the chassis up and we'll be ready to go. I'll be back soon. All right, I got the red shot and it turned out pretty good, I do believe. So what I'll do next on the body is wait for this to dry. I'll put decals on it, and then I'll start weathering the body. We'll put mud behind the tires. I'll do some weathering up front on the windshield. I'll install the windshield before I do that, and should turn out pretty good. The color is a good match to Donnie's car, so should turn out fairly well. I just got to finish the chassis up. I got to finish the front suspension, put the engine in, and then I'll weather some more underneath, and then it's tires, and that's about it. So it's close to being done, and then I can start on Kale's car. So thank you all for watching.